How to turn your skills into money in 3 weeks. If you have a skill but you're not making money from it yet, this will change how you think. Because the truth is simple, it's not about the skill, it's about how you sell it. Let's break it into 3 weeks. Week 1, pick one skill and position IT. Stop trying to do everything. Pick just one skill like writing, video editing, design, or social media management. Now here's the key. Don't sell the skill, sell the result. Instead of saying I edit videos, say I help creators turn boring videos into engaging content that makes people take you seriously. Week 2, create simple proof. Nobody pays for what they can't see. So create proof. Make 2 or 3 sample works. You can even use practice projects. Post them on Facebook, WhatsApp, or TikTok. Let people see what you can do even before they ask. Week 3, start offering your service. Now go where people are. Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, Instagram comments. And speak like this. I help businesses design clean and professional logos that attract customers. Let me know if you need one. No fear, no overthinking. Just offer value. Final truth. You don't need to be perfect to start earning. You just need to be visible and confident enough to offer a solution. Because money doesn't go to skills. It goes to people who show up and sell their skills. Start today. Do you like the video? Like, comment, share, and subscribe.